Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, strand on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to then take off your case if you have one on your device, as you can see I do. Once you take it off, the tray is located at the bottom of the phone right over here. Now you will see two different pinholes like these. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. It's the one that is closer to the edge. From there, push the pin in and the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. On the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. You can occupy both of these trays at the same time, or just one of them, and using one it doesn't really matter which one you pick. From there, insert the tray back into your device and the card should start working right away. So let's give it a second, it's looking for reception and it just found it. And that's it. So there we go. Pretty simple. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.